Welcome to Omni Academy and Consultants. My name is Abdul Rafi. I'll show you how to import artifacts. So let's go to the instance and I'll show you that. First of all, what you must do is to go to Administer, Shared Services Console, and File System. Right click on the file system and click on Upload. Choose the file that you have already exported from another instance to be imported here. The file that you will export from another instance, or let's say the production instance, will be on your computer, and you can choose the file from here. Like I have chosen this file to be imported. Once you import this file, the file will appear in the file system, and then you can right click the application and click on import. When you click on import, this a process will run and the application will be created in your instance. And as you can see, the planning application has been created. If you do not have an application with this name, don't worry, this application will be created automatically once you import this into your instance from the file system to the application groups. Thank you for watching.